What if the single biggest driver of burnout in your club was something you could start addressing in the next 2 minutes? I'm Michelle Pascoe, and today I'm going to show you a simple check-in system that reduces burnout, surfaces problems before they become crises, and builds the kind of team culture that actually retains great people. And that's what we're all wanting. Energy is a leader's greatest asset, and most managers have no idea their team is depleted until someone calls in sick or worse, leaves. They just walk out the door. The early warning signs of burnout are subtle. An extra coffee at 10 a.m, withdrawal from the team chat, the quiet one even gets even quieter, and by the time a manager's noticed, they've usually missed those 3 or 4 earlier signals. The check-in I'm going to walk you through changes that. So 1, make it a standing agenda item. It only works if it's consistent. An occasional check-in feels, like a performance management. A regular one builds safety. Choose one touch point, whether that's a brief team huddle, a one-on-one, or the start of every shift, having that briefing about what's going to happen today. And introduce a simple energy rating. On a scale of 1 to 10, how's your energy today? That's it. One question. It takes 10 seconds per person. But what does this do? It opens the door. A 4 or 5 at the start of a shift tells you something. A person who used to give 8s and is now giving 5s 3 weeks in a row is telling you a lot. Step 2. Don't fix it in the room. This is critical. When someone shares a low number, the instinct is to immediately problem solve or offer reassurance. Let's sort it out. Don't worry. I'll get better. Resist that instinct in a group setting. Acknowledge it simply. Thanks for being honest. Let's catch up after the shift. Then follow through. The goal of the group check-in is not to fix everything publicly. It's to signal that honesty is safe and that you notice and that you care. The actual support happens in that one-on-one conversation. That's where you can understand the root cause, and that's where the trust is built. Step 3, track it over time. When we look at it over time, we see patterns forming. One data point is just a moment. A pattern is intelligence. Keep a simple note of every score over a few weeks. You don't need a fancy system. It's just a note on your phone or a quick table is enough. What you're looking for is that drift, a team member who consistently trends downwards, or a whole team that drops on a particular day or shift. That kind of pattern, it's telling you something about the workload, rostering, management, or culture, and it gives you something real to act on before it becomes a resignation. The 4th step is lead by example. Your team is watching you do with this question more than the listening to your answer. If you ask, how's your energy, and then share your number honestly, including when it's low, you model the psychological safety you're asking them to step into. If they say, hey, I'm a 9 or a 10, then all they say 9 or 10. The culture you create is the culture you model. The best leaders manage their own energy as seriously as they manage their schedule. Sleep, movement, micro breaks. These are not luxuries. They are professional disciplines. So there it is, a check-in that takes 2 minutes but builds something that takes years to create. Otherwise, a team culture where people feel seen. Set the rhythm, don't fix it publicly, track the patterns, and lead by example. If you want to build managers who genuinely look after their teams, visit michellepascoe.com and explore the Middle Management Movement programs. That's where the kind of leadership development gets embedded at scale. Subscribe for more practical tools like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.